In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Drive files to Google Sites. If you want to showcase a document, spreadsheet, slideshow, PDF, or even a video that lives in your Google Drive, embedding it directly on your site keeps everything in one place and up to date. Let's walk through it in a clear, simple way so you can follow along confidently. Start by opening Google Sites and editing the page where you want the file to appear. Make sure you're in editing mode so you can see the tools. Pick the page or section that makes the most sense for your content, maybe a resources page for documents or a homepage section if it's something important. On the right-hand panel, click Insert. This is your toolbox for adding content blocks and integrations. You'll see a variety of options there, and the one we want is Drive. Click Drive to open the Google Drive picker. The Drive window will show your files and folders. Use the tabs like My Drive, Shared with Me, or Recent to find what you need. You can also use the search bar if you have a lot of content. Most common file types work great here, including docs, sheets, slides, PDFs, images, videos, and even folders. Choose the file you want by clicking it once to highlight it, then confirm your selection. Now click Insert to add it to your page. You'll see the embedded file appear on the canvas. You can drag it to reposition it and use the blue handles around the edges to resize it so it fits your layout. If you're placing multiple items on the same page, try aligning widths for a clean, professional look. Depending on the file type, you may see options to display a preview or show a title. Choose what makes the content easiest to read. A quick tip on visibility: the people visiting your site need permission to view the embedded file in Drive. If they don't have access, they'll see a request screen instead of the content. To avoid that, make sure the files sharing settings in Drive allow your intended audience to view it. Another helpful note is that updates you make to the file in Drive automatically reflect on your site, so you never have to re-embed it when you make changes. Use the preview button at the top of sites to see how it looks on desktop and mobile. Adjust spacing and size as needed until it feels just right. That's all it takes to add a Google Drive file to Google Sites. Quick, clean, and always in sync with your Drive.